हेलो बच्चों, मैं सोनिया अडवाणी और आप हैं मेरे चैनल सोनियाज क्लासरूम में। ये वीडियो पिछले वीडियो का सेकंड पार्ट है जिसमें मैंने आपकी इंग्लिश सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर इट सो हैपेंड के 7th लेसन द ओपन विंडो हिंदी में समझाया था। आज इस लेसन के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और एक्सरसाइजेस करवाऊंगी। जो बच्चे पहली बार मेरे चैनल पर आए हैं उनके लिए बता दूं, मैं आजकल सीबीएसई बोर्ड क्लास 8th के इंग्लिश और हिंदी के लेसन्स एक एक करके करवा रही हूँ। तो आइए दी ओपन विंडो के कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक 1 से शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, Why had Frampton Nuttall come to the rural retreat? Answer, Frampton Nuttall had been suffering from stress, tension and nervousness, so he had come to the rural retreat for cure. Question 2, Why had his sister given him letters of introduction to people living there? Answer, Frampton Nuttall was new to that place. His sister knew that because of his mental state he would not speak to anybody which will worsen his condition. So she had given him letters of introduction to the people she knew there. Question 3. What had happened in the Sappleton family as narrated by the niece? Answer. The niece told Mr. Frampton that a great tragedy had happened in the Sappleton family just 3 years ago. Her aunt's husband and brothers had gone for hunting to their favorite shooting ground. Unfortunately, they were all swallowed up by the marsh. Now, comprehension check 2, first question. What did Mrs. Sappleton say about the open window? Answer. Mrs. Sappleton told Frampton Nuttall that her husband and brothers were expected soon. They would enter the house directly from the shooting through the open window as usual. Question 2. The horror on the girl's face made Frampton swing around in his seat. What did he see? Answer. Frampton swung around his seat and saw 3 figures coming towards the window. Now comprehension check 3. First question. Why did Frampton rush out wildly? Answer. Mrs. Sappleton's niece told Frampton a made-up story about her aunt's husband and brothers that they died in the marsh. But when Frampton saw them coming towards the house, he thought that they were ghosts. He was terrified at the sight and rushed out wildly. Question 2. What was the girl's explanation for his lightning exit? Answer. The girl's explanation was that Frampton Nuttall was afraid of the dog. She said that he had told her about his bitter experience with dogs, so he made a sudden exit. बच्चों, अब लेसन की एक्सरसाइज डिस्कस इन स्मॉल ग्रुप्स का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Is this a mystery story? Give a reason for your answer. Answer. Yes, this is a mystery story. A young girl, Vera, tells Frampton about the great tragedy that had happened in that house exactly 3 years ago. Mrs. Sappleton's husband and 2 brothers had gone for hunting in their favorite area where they were swallowed up by the marsh. She adds that her aunt, Mrs. Sappleton, always thought that they would come back. That is why they kept the window open through which they went out. The story becomes more mysterious when these men are really seen walking towards the window. Question 2. You are familiar with the irony of the situation in a story. Which situations in the open window are good examples of the use of irony? Answer. Irony of the situation means what is intended or expected and what actually happens. The most evident situational irony in the open window is related to Frampton Nuttall. He was suffering from bad nerves, so he had come to a calm and peaceful countryside for treatment. But the story about Mrs. Sappleton's husband and brothers disturbed his peace of mind. He tried hard to distract Mrs. Sappleton from this disturbing topic, but she too referred to the open window just as her niece did. Above all, he lost all his senses when he saw those 3 so-called dead men walking towards the window. Then he made a lightning exit from that place. Question 3. Which phrases or sentences in the text do you find difficult to understand? Select a few and guess the meaning of each. Rewrite a simple paraphrase of each. Answer. The phrases, sentences in the text which I found difficult to understand are enlisted below. बच्चों, मैं यहाँ पर 10-11 phrases बता रही हूँ और भी हो सकते हैं, आप लोगों को अगर कोई और फ्रेज डिफिकल्ट लगे तो आप मुझसे कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं, मैं उसका भी मतलब आपको बता दूंगी। फर्स्ट, bury yourself down there. The simple paraphrase, you will feel very lonely. Second, came into the nice division. Simple paraphrase, can be placed in the category of the nice people. Third, they had had sufficient silent communication. Simple paraphrase, they were quiet for enough long time. Fourth, an undefinable something about the room seemed to suggest masculine habitation. Simple paraphrase, there was something about the room which could not be described. It suggested that men lived there. Fifth, treacherous piece of bog. Simple paraphrase, the bog was treacherous. Just by looking, it did not seem to have underneath a wet spongy marsh. Sixth, will of apologies. Simple paraphrase, many apologies in quick succession. Seventh, labored under the tolerably widespread delusion. Simple paraphrase, having strong misconception about something. Eighth, brightened into alert attention. Simple paraphrase, being happy suddenly. Ninth, sympathetic comprehension. Simple paraphrase, understanding and showing sympathy. 10th, uncanny coincidence. Simple paraphrase, unnatural strange event. 11th, romance at short notice. Simple paraphrase, finding occasions for fun and enjoyment wherever possible. बच्चों, कुछ और क्वेश्चंस जो मुझे इंपॉर्टेंट लग रहे हैं वो भी आंसर्स के साथ बता रही हूँ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, why was the window kept open? Answer, Mrs. Sappleton's husband and her brothers went for hunting through that window. She thought that they would return through the same window, which was their usual practice. That is why it was kept open. Question 2. What was Frampton's delusion? Answer, Frampton had this delusion that even strangers would be interested in his ailments and weaknesses. Question 3. Why the author said that romance at short notice was her speciality? Answer, the author said so because towards the end of the story we came to know that the girl was expert at telling lies for the sake of enjoyment. First time she lied to Mr. Nuttall about the great tragedy that happened in that house. And second time she lied about Mr. Nuttall's fear of dogs to her entire family. तो बच्चों, इसी के साथ ये वीडियो एंड करती हूँ। अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट हो इस लेसन में तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं, मैं ज़रूर आंसर दूंगी। अब विदा दीजिए। हाँ, चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब बटन प्रेस कर दीजिए, साथ ही बेल नोटिफिकेशन भी ऑन कर दीजिएगा ताकि मेरे वीडियोस अपलोड होते ही यूट्यूब आपको झट से नोटिफाई कर दे। सुरक्षित रहिए, अपनों का ध्यान रखिए। नमस्कार।